Hey guys, check this out. There are so many different reasons and excuses that we can come up with of why we don't have time to work out, why we don't have time for fitness or to take care of ourselves. But check this out. So I came up with there's 24 hours in a day, right? You got 10 hours for your work and, getting to and from work or just, whatever you do for work. You got 14 hours, right? 8 hours to sleep, which most people don't sleep 8 hours. I mean, they say you're supposed to, but most people don't. So then you got 6 hours left. That's where you got 3 hours for family time to, if your kids or you are in any kind of sport or anything extra that you do, or heck, if you just want to relax as a family, then you have three more hours where you could do, your TV watching, if you're reading or whatever you're into for that extra 3 hours of the time while you're home, dinner, whatever. You still have an hour. You still have an hour left where you can fit in fitness, workout, walking, some kind of activity just to make sure that you're getting your heart moving, that you're getting strong, that you're staying strong, whatever your situation is. But you always have time. There are 24 hours in a whole day, right? So just take some time to think about that. And I always tell people, think about your day. Think about your day. Where do you have 20 to 30 to 45 minutes at the most to spend some time for yourself, just to get yourself strong, get your heart strong, all that stuff. So that's the most important. All right, guys. Talk to you next time. Bye.